Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a ChatGPT widget on ASUS Zenfone 10. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. Here you can just skip introduction. And now you have to open permissions to allow this application to display over other apps. And then click back and back again. Now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your AI assistant. And you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle here. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.